Okay, so Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for attending this session and Microengineering Tech Inc. presentation. So Microengineering Tech Inc. is proud to be participating at the Saudi GIS exhibition for the fourth time. So it's always an honor to be here. Today we're just talking about realization. So, a little closer. Is it better? Yeah. Yeah, so microengineering is, Microengineering Tech Inc. is part of Microengineering Group. We have four companies, Microengineering Tech Inc., MEG for the Middle East market, METI Robotics, which is our software in-house company, and MNI, which is the construction. So in 2014, we're presenting Microengineering Tech Inc. as an engineering procurement construction entity with Canadian background and deep understanding of the Saudi market. So usually Microengineering Tech Inc. is very interested in giving consultancy, procurement, engineering solutions for the high demand of realization. I know when we start saying realization, you start thinking really about where we're going. If you start taking a look for our team, we up to today, we are almost 57 people, and our team is really qualified team for providing realization services from engineering perspective. In order to provide realization services, we should have the right partner. So like I said, in order to be able to provide an efficient engineering consultancy service, you have to have the right partner that can help on the procurement and the construction part. It's our pleasure to partner with some of the Canadian giants in geo markets. And this year we have Intermap and Optic, and it have been a while working with Novatel, the famous GNSS manufacturer, plus the VZAT and MTN, which is developed and manufactured in-house inside Microengineering Tech Inc. I know I started by saying realization, and I'm not sure how many is familiar with this term. I'll get the quote from Keith saying mapping is not enough anymore. I mean, people are looking for more. So if you take a look for the wiki definition of realization, Wikipedia, an act of becoming fully aware of something as a fact. So everyone is looking for mapping and data acquisition. He's looking for information. He's looking for facts. And this is the reason we start thinking that the new trend in the GEO should go into the direction of realization. In order to really do proper realization, and you have to have the right knowledge, right tools, sensors, and accurate. Then I go back to Optic, what Michael said, that we're looking for accuracy from LiDAR and imaging. So METI definition of realization is visualization to solve your technical production management safety problems for cost reduction and quality control and efficient execution for your engineering projects. Industries. We are active and operating in North America, mainly Canada, West part, Central and the East, North Africa and the Gulf area, and we have already existing clients in Saudi Arabia. In Canada, we are really focusing on 5 different industries: interior laser scanning and the BEM, the new trend in the interior design and architecture, mining industry, oil and gas, highway engineering, monitoring and progress and earthworks, and deformation monitoring. So I'll pick 3 of the industries we're involved in, and mainly one of them is deformation monitoring for high-rise building. We are proud to be controlling and monitoring the highest 3 buildings in Western Canada. So if you just Google the tallest or the highest skyscrapers in Western Canada, we were monitoring and providing precision engineering through integration laser scanners, GNSS, geotechnical sensors, and robotics. So this is one of the projects we are currently working on, Brockfield, 74 stories. So it's a pretty high building in a congested area, downtown Calgary. Construction progress monitoring. Last summer in Calgary we have a flood, and we have really an issue regarding downtown. It was covered by water. So if you see here, there's a lot of really maintenance for the highway engineering and the roads there. This is one of the links data we used for monitoring the progress in a project for replacing the asphalt. Again, we're talking about realization. So it's point cloud is fine. Everyone can press the button. But you see here, cross-section, volume computations, complete reports for the client so he can really find the facts, which is looking for realization. And finally, a 3D model. And it's very important to say, engineering grade 3D model. Oil and gas. Alberta industry is very close to Saudi Arabia and the Gulf. Oil and gas is very important in Alberta. This is pictures, and it's very important really to follow up these pictures because just in a second, we turn to point cloud. This is point cloud. So if you can really find the difference between colored point clouds and pictures, I think we should make a draw like yesterday. It's very close, so it's a very high precision point clouds. Again, engineering grade. This is an output from the Ehlers. We back again to the definition we started our presentation, realization. Okay, point clouds is not enough anymore. You're looking for CAD models, and you have a very long list of formats for oil and gas industry. PDMS, PDS, Smart Plan 3D, CAD, AutoPlan. So it's very important really in both the oil and gas and the machinery industry to be familiar to get a precise field data acquisition up to the production of a CAD model. So we just moved to North Africa. As you see, we have done several projects for realization for archaeology and precision engineering. So I'll pick up the precision engineering project. It was with a Japanese company in Cairo. They would like to really to have a train on this very old bridge. No drawings for the bridge. So looking for to scan this bridge and get complete steel detailed drawings out of it. So this is the quality of the scan using the optic Ehlers scanner, and this is the drawings with an accuracy of almost 3 millimeter. Complete detailed steel drawings out of a precision engineering project for construction of a train. Saudi Arabia. Okay. We have here two systems owned by one of our very important clients, Saudi Unicom. So they have an imaging system called VSAT, which is state-of-the-art imaging GIS systems worldwide. Accuracy, relative accuracy, we're talking about 5 centimeters. Unfortunately, we cannot show the data we have with our client because it's confidential. But this is a project we have in Canada, and you see here complete production, GIS production in 3D. So on the right, it's the cameras with points, with attributes, ready for also for export in shapefile, compatible with Esri, Bentley, Autodesk. And to the left, you see the production, which is very important, complete 3D CADs. This system is pure imaging. This year, we're introducing the VSAT 2014 with integrated LiDAR. It's mainly to serve the industry in more into the depths or the third dimension, but still, we consider it as an imaging system. And more important here is the data management. Imaging, you can run it really on any PC. So you don't need really the high computational power compared to other systems. Just going forward. Okay. Last but not least, I think everyone here will be familiar with what we're showing. This is the area in Dammam around Sheraton at the sea. It's scanned, modeled. This is SAP, the KFC outside, not an ad for them. And this is the Sheraton is coming, where we're sitting, as you see here. Scanned with the optic illers, high precision scans, complete 3D modeling in both Revit and 3D Max. It's a stop and go. So it's a stop and go. We have the illers on a car, and this part is fully developed by Microengineering Tech Inc. So it's not a terrestrial system anymore. It is almost a semi-mobile system. And as you see here, complete modeling for the Sheraton where we're sitting right now. And this is really the value of working with Microengineering Tech Inc. and our partners, which is turnkey solution for different industries through the geo market. Yeah. So again, please visit our booth. It is on the right-hand side downstairs. And thank you very much for your time and attention.